Have you ever wondered what makes the best roofing companies stand out? Or for that matter, what sets apart the top companies globally? It's not just luck or chance. There are secrets they know and act upon that lead to their successes. In this video, we're going to unveil these secrets, ones you might never have heard of, or maybe you have heard of them and just have never acted on them. And that's what we're going to dive into. The first thing is strong leadership and culture. It all starts at the top. The best companies have visionary leaders who set clear goals, foster a positive work culture, and inspire their teams to excel. It's not just about making money for them. It's about creating a legacy of excellence. When your team feels valued and motivated, they go above and beyond to deliver exceptional results. Tip number 2, they embrace technology. In today's digital age, technology is your best friend. The top roofing companies leverage cutting-edge tools and softwares like CRM systems to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. This allows them to deliver top-notch customer services all the way through the customer's lifecycle. Technology isn't just a luxury. It is a necessity for staying competitive and exceeding customer expectations. Tip number 3, understand your market. The greatest roofing companies don't just guess what their customers want. They know what they want. They conduct this through market research, analyzing trends and tailoring their services to meet the customer's needs and preferences. By understanding your market inside and out, you can position your company as the go-to choice for your target customers, regardless of what your pricing is. Tip number 4, stay connected and informed. Knowledge really is power. The best companies stay updated with industry news, regulations, best practices, you name it. They actively participate in industry events. They're going to network with their peers, and they're going to continuously educate themselves and their teams. Staying connected and informed not only keeps you ahead of the curve, but it also opens up doors and new opportunities and collaborations that you didn't even know existed. By joining a local industry association, you will almost certainly make friends with the folks there. You might make some enemies, but you're going to make more friends than enemies. This will allow you to keep up to speed on industry news and regulations and allow you to network with other business owners and competitors to see what they're doing and how you can work together to help each other win. It doesn't always have to be as cutthroat as we make it out to be. Finally, tip number 5, trusted advisors and sources are so important at this stage. The greatest companies surround themselves with trusted advisors, industry experts, consultants, and partners who provide valuable insight and guidance to get them to where they want to go, to let them reach their mission. They know that they don't know everything, and they're going to seek help and leverage external expertise whenever they can to achieve their goals. If you want to grow, join a mastermind, hire a business coach. There's so many people out there who have knowledge. Don't discount someone's experience. Although, take this with a grain of salt, there are a lot of bad actors out there, and they are really just making to look a quick buck on you and your business. So you have to protect your business finances as you would your family's. Be strategic and ask a lot of questions to ensure the best use of the resources to find the best advisors for what you need. Speaking of trusted advisors, at Clantric, we specialize in helping roofing companies reach their full potential. From implementing cutting-edge CRM solutions to providing expert advice and support, we're here to be your partner in success, to pull that vision out of your brain, put it on a piece of paper, and let it come to life. But guess what? We also offer a free discovery call where we can discuss how our services can benefit your business. Plus, we're so confident in our abilities that we actually offer a full money-back guarantee after the implementation. So why wait? Book your free discovery call today and find the links in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow roofing pros. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.